Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami fidget spinner model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this fidget spinner model, we'll need a square piece of paper. This is of size 16 cm cross 16 cm. You can pick any size paper. It should be of square, that's the only thing. So first let's begin and fold it from the horizontal axis like this, edge to edge. Then we'll fold it again along the vertical axis like this to make a smaller square. Now we open it back and then we fold it like this. Yep. To make a triangle, and we do the similar thing on this side. Make a triangle. Now we fold this portion of the triangle like this. And then try to make it properly. As you can see, this is not proper, otherwise the spinner might not rotate properly. So yeah, now this looks proper. Alright, now you fold this flap like this here. These are hard flaps, so you need to press it tightly, otherwise they might not get folded properly. Similarly, we do it on this side. Now we fold this portion like this. Let me focus it. And then we fold this portion like this. Press it tightly like this, so that the folds are properly maintained. Otherwise it might get unfolded easily. Now you fold it from the center like this. That's it. So now you have these two corners, so you fold it like this. Use your nail, make a sharp crease, and then fold it like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. This is how it looks, and this is a fidget spinner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll see you back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned.